Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is August the 16th, 2018, and we harvested the onions today. Now there are some still growing down in the hollow patch, and they're still growing down there, so we're not going to take them out yet. But these here actually came out of this raised bed, is what I'm going to call it, over here. And we have some more over here. There are some sweet Spanish Utah onions in there. I believe these are these right here. Now, some of these got mixed up, and some of the tags are mixed up with them, so I think there were some other varieties in here. I'm not 100% sure. There's a Southport Red Globe, which I believe are these over here. The light red onion, they're a more light red onion. They're really good for cooking. I believe, in my opinion, they really hold their flavor well when you cook that variety. And there's also a countrywide hybrid onion. That's the red ones here. That's a new variety for me. I've never tried that one before. This is my first year growing that variety. And I'll show you some of the other ones over here. And these over here, there's a lot of Walla Wallas in here. I'm not sure what all varieties I had in the raised bed over here. Without the tags, I'm not sure because we planted them earlier. So they did not get as big as what they got last year, and we didn't get as much of a harvest as what we got last year. I know we really had a weird year this year, but what we did is after these were harvested, we laid them out in the sun to dry so that they start curing. And then what we'll do is, which I'll do a video on this and show you then, is we'll gather all these up and we'll actually tie them up. Like, we'll bunch them together and we'll tie them, and then we'll hang them up. Now, if they're going to be calling for like freezing temperatures or snow or something like that, we'll actually take them inside in the basement, because if you don't, your onions will freeze and then they'll start rotting and you'll lose them. So you can chop your onions up and store them like in your freezer, but if they're hanging outside and they freeze, then they'll actually rot and they'll turn mushy and they're really yuck. So just wanted to show you these here. There's a tag over here. Let me see what this one here says. Over here, Walla Walla. So I can't remember, that whole thing may have been Walla Wallas. I'm not 100% sure. So that's our onion harvest for one started from seed for 2018. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button all the times I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.